Hey folks, 2009 Honda Accord, a little four-cylinder. Want to check out an air filter with me? Let's go, let's check it out. Looks like over here, little two clips, one, two, and it should slide out from, oh, look at this. Guy never put it into the slots. There's one here, there's one here. It's supposed to go in underneath there. Otherwise, defeats the whole purpose of an air filter. The dirt was going to come in and go right into the engine and don't do nothing. Look, see it? See that little tab? It's on top. And the same thing on this side. All right. Sloppy work, people. Sloppy work, but that's the business. That is the business. All right. So, air filter. Click it here. Unclip it there. And this thing's going to raise up out of the way. I'm going to check that air filter. But like I said, look at that. That thing's not even attached. See it? It's supposed to slide under like that and lock it in. Sloppy work. All right. Let me mount you up here. And let's go do that. Let's put the gloves on so don't get dirty. All right. So we're going to lift this up. See if there's anything in the way. Oh, there's a clip back here, people. So it's three clips. 1, 2, and 3. And this thing is going to come, lift up out of the way. Just enough for you to see the air filter. And there she is. And from here, it looks pretty clean. All right. Looks pretty clean. A little dusty there. So this filter is good. Recently done. But they did a crappy job. These are the two tabs. Let me show you. Let me take it off. There's the tab here. There's the tab there. That's the slot that it goes into. And there is the other slot that it goes into. Right in there. Okay. Little rectangle shapes in there. These two are going to slide in there just like that. And it locks up that side of the air filter. Okay. If you don't do that, then the dirt is going to come in from that side. So, see, I can set you up here. Hopefully it doesn't give us a hard time going back in. Alrighty. This goes in. Put it on the tilt. Like that. Slide it in. Down it clips. And we're going to put this clip on here. The one in the back that I forgot about. Dun, dun, dun. There you go. And this one over here. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what it's designed to do. It's supposed to be clipped on. There it is. You see? It's now inside. This one is inside. So now the box is totally sealed. Flush. Good to go. All right. Oh, well. Sloppy work, people. Sloppy work. That's what they do. Sorry. That's the business. People do not pay attention. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao.